clean workplace equals a safe workplace. Keeping the workplace clean is called environmental hygiene. It helps to keep food safe by keeping the food preparation area to a safe level of bacteria. The main processes used to keep the workplace and equipment clean are cleaning and sanitising. So why do you need to clean? Remember cross-contamination? When harmful bacteria from one area, such as raw meat, enters another area, such as ready-to-eat food. This occurs when raw food falls on the floor in another area, or equipment which has touched raw food is taken into another area. To prevent this, you should clean all equipment and surfaces. Most bacteria can live for some time on a surface or in a droplet of moisture. If you sneeze or cough over an item of equipment, a dinner plate or a menu, bacteria can remain on that surface and contaminate any food that comes into contact with it. To clean, you need both cleaning products and cleaning equipment. Cleaning products include detergents, sanitizers, and disinfectants. All chemicals must be kept away from food. Remember, we've spoken about chemical contamination. And cleaning products must be stored in a separate area, such as a locked cupboard. Cleaning equipment includes brooms, mops, vacuum cleaners, brushes, buckets, and cleaning cloths. They should be clean and in a good condition. Clean is not the same as safe, yet they should always go hand in hand. Cleaning means getting rid of the dirt you can see. This would be grease, food scraps, dust, or anything that has been spilt. Surfaces, tools, and equipment must be cleaned before being sanitized, as the sanitation process will become ineffective if applied to surfaces that still contain dirt or leftover food spills, waste, or other contamination. Cleaning may include the removal of food waste, the removal of grease, or the removal of dirt. The cleaning process involves pre-scraping the utensil or surface to remove most of the food residue present. Using warm water, detergent, and agitation, remove the food residue. Then rinse the detergent and the food residue away. But there may still be germs on the surface, so you need to take another step, sanitizing. Sanitizing means reducing the number of germs you can't see. As previously mentioned, surfaces must first be cleaned and rinsed before being sanitized. There are two methods used to sanitize surfaces. They are heat sanitizing and chemical sanitizing. Hot water is the most common method of sanitizing eating and drinking utensils and food contact surfaces. Hot water sanitizing can be done manually or mechanically using a glass washer or a dishwasher. The two methods of chemical sanitizing are bleach and food-grade sanitizers. Bleach is the most common. You must rinse any items sanitized with bleach afterwards, otherwise you could be chemically contaminating any food which comes into contact with the sanitized item. Food-grade sanitizers do not have to be washed off surfaces after use. The chemicals used do not contaminate food or cause illness. Food-grade sanitizers are recommended for high-use items such as chopping boards and bench surfaces, but can be used on all types of surfaces. Cleaning surfaces, equipment, and utensils thoroughly and hygienically involves both cleaning and sanitizing. There are 6 simple steps to cleaning an item properly. Pre-clean. Scrape, wipe, or sweep away food scraps and rinse with water. Wash. Use hot water and detergent to remove any grease and dirt. Soak if needed. Rinse off any loose dirt or detergent. Sanitize. Use a sanitizer to kill any remaining bacteria. Do a final rinse to wash off any sanitizer. Then dry. Allow the item to air dry. Remember, the aim of cleaning is to remove all dirt, soiling, food residue, and any other sources of contamination from the item being cleaned.